Good morning, this is Mrs. Segala with Math Fluency today. We're going to start out with our flashcards. Have you been practicing these at home? Let's do our ones. 1 plus 5 equals 6. 1 plus 4 equals 5. 1 plus 3 equals 4. 1 plus 2 equals 3. 1 plus 0 equals 1. 1 plus 1 equals 2. Now, if you have your Legos from yesterday, did you practice adding one more and getting all the way up to 10? If you did, good job. Now today, we're going to start with 5. Instead of adding one more, we're going to take away so we have one less. So let's see, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's take one away so we have one less. So 5 and 1 less is 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we have 4. Take away 1. We have 1 less. So we started with 4. 1 less is 1, 2, 3. Now we have 3. Let's take away 1. So we have 1 less. 3 minus 1, 1 less is 2. Nice job. Now if I take away 1, so I have 1 less than 2 is 1. Now if I take away 1, so I have 1 less than 1 is 0. Good job. Can you do those at home with your Legos too? Today we're going to be working with a 5 frame. And in my 5 frame, you'll see there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 spaces. And in some of those spaces, there's going to be dots. And what you're going to do is you're going to count up the dots. And then I want you to keep that number right in your brain until I snap my fingers and then shout it out to me as loud as you can. All right, so go ahead and count up the dots. Keep it in your brain. How many? 5. Good job. Here's my next one. Get ready. Count up the dots. Keep it right in your brain. 1. Good job. 1. All right, we're going to do one more. How many dots do you see? Keep it in your brain. 0. Good job. Now you're going to see that we are going to be working with a 5 frame today with our monkeys. And you see, just like here, we have 5 spaces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now we're going to be filling those with monkeys. From our story, 5 little monkeys jumping on the bed. Now, as you can see, I've put all of my monkeys into my 5 frame. So I have 5 monkeys. Each one of my 5 frame is full. So I have 5. Now, these monkeys that fell off the bed are going to get back up on the bed. So the first monkey jumps back up on the bed. He jumped out of the 10 frame. I have 1 space. So 5 minus that 1 equals 1, 2, 3, 4. I have 4 monkeys on the floor. All right, now that other monkey's gonna jump up there. So now I have 2 monkeys up on the bed. I have 2 empty spaces. 5 minus my 2 equals how many monkeys? 3 monkeys left on the floor. So 5 minus 2 equals 3. Oh, those monkeys, they want to get back up there and get in trouble. So another one jumps back up there. So now I have 3 monkeys up on that bed. How many do I have left on the floor? 5 minus 3 is 2. So now I have 2 monkeys left on the floor. But this one wants to get up there and cause trouble too. So now how many do I have up there? 2, 3, 4, 5, minus the 4 equals 1 monkey left on the floor. 5 minus 4 equals 1. But this monkey too, he's going to jump up on that bed to get in trouble. So now I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 monkeys have all jumped up on the bed. How many do I have left on the floor? 0. 5 minus 5 equals 0. So now, why don't you get on YouTube and search 5 little monkeys and go ahead and do the monkey dance.
Hi boys and girls, we're back again for another math lesson. So last time we were together, you remember we were working on things, taking a group and taking things from it. So I need you to get your counters out if you would. Remember we made that bag where you were supposed to have counters. I need you to count out 5 counters if you would, please. So we're just going to do a little review from last time. So let's take a look at this. Our objective always is to look at the group and we will be taking things away. So let's see. 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, take away. Let's take away 2. Grab them, take those counters and put them right behind your back. How many are left? That's our question every time. How many are left? You would say 3. Review from last time. Okay, let's try another one. 5. Let's put our 5 counters back down. Let's take away 4 this time. Go ahead, grab 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Put them behind your back. How many do you have left? 1. You are correct. So we would read it. 5 take away 4 is 1. Okay, let's try one more. This is review from last time. Let's take again our 5 counters. 5, spread them out so it makes it easy for you to count them. 5 take away 5. Ooh, what would that be? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, grab them all, take them away, and your answer is 0. Great. Let's try now to put down, let's put down 7 counters. So I'm going to add 2 to that group. I'm going to take this away because now we're just going to do these a little quicker. Okay, we're just going to practice. All right, ready? So you're going to listen to me. I'm going to say, there are 7 blocks, and I would like you to take away 2. How many are left? You're right, 5. So shout out your answer, and I know I'll hear it. The answer is 5. Now, I can take these 5 and put them together, and if you have blocks, this might be easier. If I put them into a group of 5, this helps me to count them a little faster. So let's try this. I have 5. And I have then 3 next to it. So 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 take away 3, grab 1, 2, 3, equals 5. Because there's it's like my 5 tower or my 5 block. All right, let's try another one. Count how many I have all together. Go ahead, count them quickly to yourself. You should be saying to yourself, count 5, count on 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10. Now let's get ready for our math problem. 10 take away 2 equals 5, 6, 7, 8. Nice job. All right, so I have a little story to tell you, and you can just watch me. You put your counters away for a moment, and here we go. I have a story that has a certain number of flowers. You go ahead and count them. I'll put them down. How many do you see all together? You might say, well, it's easier, Mrs. Knight, if you put them in a line. That does make counting a little easier. That is true. And let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I have 7 flowers, and then 3 of them blew away. So I would take 3 from the group. What's going to happen right now is we're going to take this story and put it to paper. So I would have 7 flowers, 7, take away 3 flowers, blew away. And how many did I have left? If you remember, it was 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 flowers were left. So what happens is when I have to take this story and make a picture, I won't draw the flowers here because I just want to draw them quickly. I would say I have 7 flowers. So I would just make circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now when I'm doing work on paper, I can't just grab 3 and pull them away because it's on the paper. Instead, I have to show take away 3 by crossing them out. So this would be new to us. So this is taking our counters and now we're making a story using our numbers on paper, and we'll probably be using pencil or in this case a marker. So here's my picture now. I had 7 flowers, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and I take away 3. 1, 2, 3. So I cross them out. How many are left? 1, 2, 3, 4. And then that matches my answer here, 4. So this is new to us, and something else new is going to be this. This is the number sentence. This would be 7 take away 3 equals 4. So these 2 things, well actually 3 things are new to us. We have this, drawing a picture with circles. We have this math symbol, which means take away, and we already know this one is equal. So this is writing a number sentence. Let's try another one. Hey, our next story is about ladybugs. There were 8 ladybugs. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And 4 of them, we'll say 4 flew away. So that means I'm taking away 4 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm just taking them away from the group. So let's see how that would look if I was to draw a picture. I wouldn't draw the ladybugs. I would just draw circles. I would have started with 8 ladybugs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There's the number 8. Take away, how many are left that group? Think of the story. 4 of them flew away. So in a picture on paper, I would have to cross them out. Flew away. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 flew away. So how many does that leave me? 8 take away 4 equals, that would be the ones that are not X'd out. 1, 2, 3, 4. Very good. All right, let's take a look at this next story. I'm just going to tell it to you here. There were 6 birds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And 2 of them flew away. This will be what I would like you to work on. This is your extension. I would love for you to figure out, what is the answer for here? How many would you cross off? And that will be your last problem to do with a little bit of Zern. Bye, boys and girls. See you next time.